In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a CAD block into AutoCAD. Blocks are reusable groups of geometry that let you place consistent content quickly, whether it's doors, furniture, symbols, or annotations. Using the built-in tools keeps your drawings organized and saves you from redrawing the same details over and over. Start by typing Insert in the command line and pressing Enter. This opens the Blocks palette, where you can manage and place content without hunting through files. Once the palette is open, switch to the Libraries tab. By default, this tab shows the blocks that are already defined in your current drawing. You'll see thumbnails that make it easy to recognize what you need. To reuse one, simply click its thumbnail and place it in your drawing. AutoCAD will prompt you to click where you want it to go, so you can position it exactly where it belongs. This is the fastest way to bring back items you or your team have already used. If you want to bring in blocks from somewhere else, look to the top of the Libraries tab and click the drop-down to change the library. This lets you point the palette to another DWG drawing or to a dedicated block library. You're not opening that file, you're just using it as a source. After you select a different source, the thumbnails refresh to show the block stored there. Click any block you see, and AutoCAD will insert it into your current drawing. Once it's inserted, that block definition is now part of your current drawing, which means it will also appear in the default list the next time you open the Libraries tab. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Consistent naming and clear thumbnails make it much easier to pick the right block at a glance. If your team maintains a shared library, setting the drop-down to that location keeps everyone using the same standards. Keep in mind that using blocks from another file brings their definitions along, so they remain available for quick reuse. Also, having consistent units across source files helps ensure blocks come in at the expected size. If a block with the same name already exists in your drawing, AutoCAD will use the current definition, and that's all there is to it. Type Insert and press Enter, go to the Libraries tab, click a block from your current drawing to reuse it, or use the drop-down to switch to another DWG or a block library and insert from there. With this simple workflow, you'll place content faster and keep your drawings consistent from start to finish.